What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. It is 89 degrees, people, and it's only the beginning of May. I had dread August and September right now. It is going to be hot. But that's not what you're here for. You're here for delicious drinks with bartending with bones. Today we are doing the Beachcomber. It's going to be rum, triple sec, lime juice, and maraschino cherry syrup. Let's begin. You need a cocktail glass that has been sugar frosted on the rim of the glass. You can either take a lemon slice, a lime slice, or take some water, put it around the rim, and then put the rim in some sugar and swirl it around. Shaker cup with some cracked ice in it. Put some cracked ice in the glass to go ahead and get it nice and chilled. Get your jigger. Get your rum. I got Bacardi right here, 1.5 ounces in. I'm going to do a double here. There we go. Get your triple sec. Since I'm doing a double, go ahead, flip it over. We're going to need 1 ounce here. 1 and 2. Lime juice. 1 and 2. Now again, if you're only doing this a single shot, just cut everything by half. Your cherry syrup. You only need 1 of these. Go ahead and shake it up. Now go ahead and take your ice. I got a trash can right over here. Drop that ice out. Go ahead, pour it into the glass. There we go. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah. Got that lime juice, then that cherry syrup. Mixed with that triple sec with the frosting, sugar on it. Then that rum comes in right at the end. Nice drink for the summertime. Great drink. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.